Welcome back to Quiz University, reminding you that knowledge is power.
Look who's back. Another video of quiz challenges for you. A few seconds per question to answer each, and you can pause anytime. The correct answers will be pinned in the comments section soon, so stay tuned. Remember to hit subscribe for more quiz challenges. Are you ready? Let's start. The heat released from Earth's core affects which geological phenomenon? Which of the following is not a significant source of Earth's internal heat? Which layer of the Earth is responsible for the majority of its internal heat production? Why does decompression melting occur in hotspots? Which statement about melting in subduction zones is false? Why does partial melting of rocks happen? It happens because most rocks are made up of what? Where does the Earth's primordial heat come from? It is the remaining heat from when the Earth was still developing into a planet. What does convection in the mantle do to the Earth's internal heat? It what? When does flux melting occur? It occurs when a body of rock near melting point of. What is magma? It is what? Which substance affects the viscosity of magma? What is decompression melting? It is the partial melting of a body of rock near melting point. When what? Where can you find radioisotopes in the Earth's interior? What is radioactive heat? It is heat generated by the what? Which source of energy comes from the Earth's internal heat? A rising body of rock close to its melting temperature undergoes partial melting because the upward movement blank rocks. Which of the following statements is true to mafic magma? It what? adding flux to a body of dry rock near its melting point. Blank the rocks. The areas that experience heat transfer melting to generate magma are what? Are locations that undergo decompression, melting to produce magma. Partial melting of rocks refers to what? Heat transfer. Melting generates magma because rising hot materials transfer heat and blank the surrounding rocks. The unstable isotopes that release energy in the Earth's interior are what? During convection, the cooler mantle rock bowl, blank, and the hotter mantle rock, blank. Unstable isotopes in the Earth's interior release energy when they what? One of the mechanisms for magma formation in blank is flux melting. Another major source of the Earth's internal heat is what? One source of the Earth's internal heat is the remaining energy from the time of what? Convection in the mantle is driven by the A blank is an opening in the Earth's crust that allows molten rock from beneath the crust to reach the surface. Let me know in the comment section your answers to see if it matches the correct answers in the pinned section. Share this to your friends to see if they could beat you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more. See you in the next quiz challenge only here in the Quiz University.